Hi, Dr. Michaels here. We're going to talk a little bit about the anatomy and physiology of the brain. Here you see a hemisected brain, and most of what you're looking at here is the cerebrum. You see the cerebellum at the back portion. The cerebrum is the largest portion, and that's governing all of your motor skills, your voluntary skeletal muscle control, your higher thinking, as well as your sensory input, integrating it and helping you to see and feel things. The cerebellum that is at the back here, that is for helping you coordinate and move all your muscles in a smooth, balanced manner. And then you have your inner part of the brain. You have the diencephalon portion here, and then the brainstem here. The diencephalon governs a lot of autonomic or automatic behaviors, and needs for the body are taken care of automatically here, as well as reflexes that occur in this region. And we have many more things to teach you about the brain, so come back and join us.